Welcome back. Less than 4 years, 5 films, 4 blockbusters और चारों फिल्मों की नेट कलेक्शन 100 करोड़ से ऊपर. She's from down south, but the collection of her films is always headed up north. Please welcome the gorgeous and talented Asin. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
हम सबको पता है कि आपने गजनी के साथ अपना बॉलीवुड डेब्यू किया है, लेकिन फिल्मों में आने से पहले आप केरला में अपने पापा को असिस्ट करते थे उनके बिजनेस में. So tell us more about that.
Hardly. मैं स्कूल में पढ़ रही थी. I was in high school and my dad was into business. तो तब स्कूल के बाद my school timings were little earlier. तो I used to get after lunch का time free. तो मैं जाती थी पापा के ऑफिस में and I used to like figure out, because I was very interested in business. So I used to help around a little bit, but that was kind of like a thing I did while I was in school.
And गजनी में आपने जब डेब्यू किया था बॉलीवुड में, तब मतलब you had done the south version of गजनी. So was it because of that या फिर आप आमिर से मिले? I mean, tell us more about.
नहीं, it was because गजनी, the same film in Tamil, उसको आई थिंक आमिर ने देख लिया था. यहाँ पे एक स्पेशल स्क्रीनिंग था आमिर के लिए एंड उनको बहुत पसंद आया एंड ही वांटेड टू रीमेक इट. इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम ही डिसाइडेड टू डू अ रीमेक सब्जेक्ट and producers and I think Amir also felt that I suited the character, तो उन्होंने मुझे contact किया and I thought it was a dream team to work with. I guess Tamil Gajni paved the way for me to do the Hindi Gajni and of course have an entry in Bollywood.
और now you're part of the 100 crore club.
I founded the 100 crore club.
Okay, so
no, jokes apart. No, I think the whole thing started with the Hindi Gajni, जहाँ पे I think it was the first time that a film collected that much and broke this 100 crore का record. So I guess me and Amir are the founding members of the 100 crore club, and I keep renewing my membership. But jokes apart, I really am not bothered about these numbers. I think it's best left to the producers. लेकिन we don't get a share of the profit, so it really doesn't matter.
In fact, आपको क्या लगता है कि जो 100 करोड़ क्लब में जो हीरोज है उनका जो रेम्यूनरेशन है उसके साथ कंपेयर किया जाए तो heroines get a fraction of that.
I really don't think ये 100 crore का मामला है. I think generally in our industry the males get paid much more than the females do. The heroes pay packet is obviously higher. I mean it's a known fact. So I don't think it's got anything to do with the 100 crore club.
But generally what is your take on that कि heroes को
generally I think मेरे ख्याल से हमारी society जो है एक male dominated society है. So I think art reflects life and vice versa. So I think that's why the situation is the way it is. I hope it changes.
You do hope. Yeah. Do you feel pressurized for your upcoming films?
No, not at all. I don't think that's a criteria I keep in mind. जब मैं फिल्म में sign करती हूँ, I don't think that I'm going to think, okay, is this going to be 100 crore? नहीं, हो जाता है. I think I have a soft spot for doing universally appealing, fun, emotional stories. तो वैसे उसके हिसाब से मैं select करती हूँ, and I hope it does well. But it's not really a pressure on me कि my last film was 100, now next I have to score 100. I mean, no, sorry. So.
And आपके पास बहुत सारे producers आते होंगे जो आके बोलते हैं कि you're the 100 crore heroine and I mean the superstitious ones जो आपको sign करना चाहते हैं.
Lucky mascot and all that tags keep happening.
आपका कोई South film जो 100 crore cross कर चुका है?
See, I've not really gone into the numbers, but ratio-wise, it's been quite a positive hit ratio down south as well. The same thing used to happen. The films that I used to sign, mostly, majority, 90% of them were huge hits. They have broken the records of what the records were till that point of time. So I think that streak is continuing into Bollywood as well. लेकिन I've never been the one to follow numbers. यहाँ पे media लोग इतना attention देते हैं to numbers and now the whole 100 crore thing that okay now I know that okay these have crossed 100 crores, but otherwise I really don't bother.
और आपके हिसाब से आपका कितना contribution रहा है in reaching the 100 crore target?
I think जितना सबके contributions है, I think that's as an artist, as the lead heroine of a film, that much I've contributed. I don't think it's anything beyond that.
Okay. Yeah. And tell us more about your future projects.
I'm working on this film called Khiladi 786 with Akshay. वो एक action comedy है. I think Khiladi is one of the oldest franchises in Bollywood. Yes. I'm very excited to be a part of it, especially because I'm working with one of my most favorite co-stars, Akshay. हमने Houseful 2 भी की थी recently, and it's a lot of fun. I think he's a very positive guy, a lot of fun and energy on set. And मेरे ख्याल से Akshay एक ऐसा artist है who knows how to balance professionalism as well as fun equally well. कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत ही professional होते हैं और boring भी होते हैं.
You want to give me some names?
No thanks. And some people are, it's just all about, you know, being lackadaisical in the name of fun.
Right.
So I think Akshay is a very good balance of the both, and I'm having a really good time working on it.
Well, all the best with your
Thank
future
you.
projects. Thank you for being with us.
Hi everyone, this is Neha Dhupia, and remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Zoom TV.